Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PBCJ, reports that Jamaica's population has fallen due to migration. In 2024, Jamaica had 27,000 more women than men last year, when it was comprised of 1,363,700 women and 1,336,700 men. There was a 0.1% fall in the country's counted population to 2.7 million people last year. The Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, announced that it signed a Euro $400,000 grant agreement with Agency Francois de Développement, AFD, to support DBJ-led initiatives targeting MSMEs. This grant complements the US $5 million credit facility agreement signed on March 2025, in which DBJ and AFD provide financing for social and climate-related investments in key sectors such as agriculture, renewable energy, education, and healthcare. This second layer of financing will fund a comprehensive technical assistance program aimed at strengthening DBJ's institutional capacity and enhancing Jamaica's broader financial ecosystem. For the trading period ending July 3, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited, with 8,954,686 units traded, representing 34.32% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 5,823,539 units traded, representing 22.32% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 1,240,404 units traded, representing 4.75% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 4, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $81.15 million purchased and US $82.33 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.02 per dollar, selling the US at $160.63 and buying the US at $158.61. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.23 per transaction, with selling at $117.17 and buying at $115.94. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2 in profits, with selling at $219.03 and buying at $217.03. For our credit report tip of the day, take control of your credit and you take control of your financial future. A high score doesn't just sit there. It qualifies you for premium cards that offer rewards, protections, and resources you can put to work right now. If you're ready to stop leaving money on the table, it's time to use your credit score as a tool to build wealth, not just manage debt. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.